to my channel. This is your girl Sean, back for another video, and welcome back to another designer handbag unboxing. I am super excited about today's video because I'm unboxing my first Chanel bag. This is so exciting for me. If you are a designer handbag lover, you have to have a Chanel bag in your collection, so that's definitely me. Okay, I did get this bag pre-loved from Fashionphile. I got it on a really good deal. I actually have been selling some bags as well, so I didn't have to actually pay for this one outright. I kind of used my Fashionphile credit to purchase this bag, so I'm excited about that. If you want to see a bags I sold and why video, let me know. I actually sold 3 of my bags recently and then bought 3 more. So clearly I have a problem. So if you like designer handbag unboxings, if you like luxury videos, fashion, dating advice, all of that, you will find all of that and more here on my channel. So go ahead and subscribe. And if you're already a subscriber, hit that little bell. That way you'll be notified every single time I upload a video. I'm clearly excited because I'm talking super fast, but I cannot wait to open this. I was dressed and ready because I knew that I could not wait a few days to find out what this bag looked like, waiting to film. So I was sitting around here waiting on the UPS man. He just dropped it off, and here it is right here. So now this bag right here, like I said, it is pre-loved, and I believe this bag was made in 2004, and I think it was made in France. So it's not vintage technically. Now some people consider vintage anything over 15 years, but I believe it's over 20. So in a couple of years this bag will be considered vintage, but it said on the website that it was considered to be in very good condition. And when you guys see, if you know me, you'll know like the color I got and all of that. So let me show you guys what the bag actually looks like. So crack this bad boy open. So as usual, Fashionphile stuff always comes in the cute Fashionphile box, which I really love. They actually take the time to make the whole presentation look amazing. Nothing about Fashionphile feels pre-loved, feels used. It always feels like you're getting a bougie little experience, okay? So I also have the little envelope right here. Now this has my receipt and I believe the certificate of authenticity on this bag as well. And then here is the bag. It also comes with a little Fashionphile file, but we don't worry about that. We don't care about that. This is what we came for. So it always has this little hot pink sticker on it that says "Use is the new new." Ain't that the truth? Okay. I'm not paying full price if I don't have to. You're gonna break the seal. Ooh, now this one actually came with a Chanel box, which I really loved because I like to have the boxes and the dust bags if they're available. That's always a plus for me when I'm trying to buy something pre-loved if it actually has the box. So here it is right here. It's the Caviar Timeless CC wallet on chain. And let's see what she looks like. We're gonna keep the suspense going because it's also a little dust bag. And here is the bag. Oh. She's cute. Here is the bag. It's in this gorgeous baby pink color. Y'all know that's my favorite color. It's got the 2 CCs right here. It has a little zip on the back, the gold detail. This bag was made in 2004. Are you kidding me? Like, whoever had this bag took amazing care of it. I'm gonna do close up so you guys can see. So here it is on the inside. That's why I wanted a Chanel bag, because the quality from the older bags is really good. Like, let me show you guys up close so you guys can see what the caviar leather looks like. Like, do you see anything? Because I don't. Like, she's stunning. She is absolutely stunning. This is a gorgeous little pink Chanel wallet on chain. And like I said, this one was actually made in France. Yes, it's made in France in there. This is what the inside looks like. It does have some card holders right here. This is perfect for me. I don't actually carry a whole lot when I go out. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I'm so happy. This is such a beautiful little bag. I can see me wearing this crossbody with so many different things, with rompers and dresses and all of that. Oh my goodness, I love it so much. All right, so really quickly, I'm gonna give you guys an idea of what actually fits in the bag. Just gonna pop in a couple of things just in case you guys are interested in a bag like this and you wanna see what it actually fits. It is a wallet on chain, but I think it actually does have some room in it, so let's actually see. So I have my iPhone right here. I believe this is the iPhone 11, I wanna say. So I'm gonna pop that in. If you didn't wanna do, I have my keys right here on my Louis Vuitton key clay. This is kind of bulky.
But if you wanted to put this in, you could put this in. So if you wanted to do the key clay, you actually could fit your key clay in here and the bag would still close. You can also fit in maybe a lipstick or two. If you wanted to pop in some lipstick, you could do that. And maybe if you want to do like a little lotion or something like that, you might be able to do that as well. It's a bit tight. You have to really work hard. I wouldn't want to keep it this full, but yeah, I definitely have to lose some things if I wanted to do that. I'm not a big fan of using the key clay with this particular bag. But this bag does come with card slots in case you wanted to use the card slots. I never do. So if you didn't want to do the key clay, you could probably do something like a card case or something. Have my little YSL card case. You can always put your cards in here if you wanted to. So now we have like the phone, the lipsticks, the card case, and then we also have a little lotion right here. You could take your keys off of the clay and then pop your keys in. That's kind of how I would pack the bag. This is what it looks like with these items inside. So yeah, it's a wallet on chain, but it still packs a punch. You can still get your basic essentials in here. Your keys, your wallet, your lipstick, your phone, basics like that. And as small as some of these bags are, that don't even fit your phone, at least this bad boy fits your phone. But I think it's a really cute bag. I pack light. This is probably all I would be taking with me anyway. But yeah, it actually does have a decent amount of space for it to be a wallet on chain. All right, so I was so excited about showing you guys the bag. I actually almost forgot to show you guys. This one actually came with the certificate of authenticity as well. It does have this. This right here is a 94 series. So it is legit. I like the fact that it came with the box and this. This helps with the resale value. If I ever decided that I wanted to resell the bag, nobody had to worry about, is it authentic? Like, this authenticates the bag. Plus Fashionphile does it too, but like I said, having this is a good plus. And just in case you ever wanted to resell your bag, all these little perks help really to increase the value. So yeah, definitely want to show you guys this as well. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. That's me unboxing my very first ever Chanel bag. I am super duper excited about it. I cannot wait to rock it. And I love it in the baby pink, so I know I'm gonna definitely get it in the black as well. I definitely feel like I get a lot of use out of both of those bags. Anyway, I'm actually doing a giveaway, so I'm excited about that. So if you are a designer handbag lover, you are in luck because I'm giving away a bag. So the bag that I'm giving away, I want you guys to see that it was brand new. This is a Kate Spade bag. Spanking brand new. I want you guys to see me actually kind of unwrap it a little bit so you'll know that it's a brand new bag. And this is the Mulberry Street bag. I'll show you guys what it actually looks like. I didn't want to actually do all the unboxing. I want you guys to kind of, you know, whoever wins the bag to do it themselves, but I want you guys to see it. You I gotta know what you're winning. Okay, so here's what the bag actually looks like. I'm not gonna unbox it all the way, just to give you guys a little peek of what the bag actually looks like. Oh, it's so cute. It is this black camera bag, and it has like 2 little openings on the top. I love camera bags. These are great to wear crossbody. It is black with the gold little writing right there. It also has gold hardware. Looks like it has a nice long crossbody strap. I'm not gonna fully unwrap it. You guys know what the strap looks like, and I want it to be as new as possible for the person who actually wins this. All right, so for you to win this adorable little Kate Spade bag, you have to follow these rules. Number 1, have to be a subscriber to my channel. This is me giving back to my subscribers, so you have to be one, okay? Number 2, you have to follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is @LifeCoachSean. Number 3, you have to be 18 or older or have your parents' permission to enter this contest. So on my Instagram, you're gonna see this picture right here. And in the comment section, I want you to comment Mulberry Street. That's how I'm gonna know that you're actually entering into this giveaway. Within 48 hours of that picture going live, I will announce the winner on my Instagram story. All right, so make sure you're following me on Instagram. Make sure you follow my story. 2 days after I post that particular picture, I'm gonna make sure that I actually announce the winner on there, okay? You will get this bag right here. Make it easy for you guys. I'll put it right back, put it in the bag, and that's it. All right, this is like my small way of giving back to you guys. You guys have been so supportive. Your help, your views, your comments, your likes, all of those things really help me, help my channel to grow. And this is a small way of me thanking you guys and giving back to one lucky winner. So good luck, and yeah, I'll see you on the gram, okay? All right, I love you guys. See you all in the next video. If you like this video, you'll love my last unboxing. So I'll do you a favor and I'll link it for you right here. Be sure to subscribe right here. Till next time, later divas and dudes. Deuces, honey.